Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute. Today I will talk about most immigration friendly countries. What really qualifies a country as immigration friendly? You know? No. Flexible work permit, easy visa rules, availability of jobs and services, and a welcoming environment are a few to start with. With immigration, visa rules and work permit getting tightened everywhere, it's difficult to remain updated about the current post study work opportunities in the foreign countries. We bring our valuable viewers a comprehensive list of countries offering the most suitable opportunities and thus being immigration friendly destinations for students looking to study abroad. So now I will talk about post study work visa. It's a lot of confusion here. Simply put, a post study work visa is a duration for which a student is permitted to stay after completing his graduation or post graduation in the search for visa for work related to his field of study. Different countries have different rules regarding the procurement of such a post study work visa. While some countries are rather lenient about allowing for foreign students to stay back after their graduation and work alongside the local people, others are strict about maintaining their job market integrity and can often make life difficult for students by complicating and twisting the rules for acquiring a post study work visa. If I talk about work permit after study, it's important for foreign students to understand that a work permit visa can only be applied by employer for their employees. Once a student has successfully acquired a full-time job opportunity during his post-study work visa, his employer would be required to apply for the work permit. So, top immigration friendly countries, if I talk about it, as established earlier, different countries have different durations of stay for a post study work visa. So, let's evaluate the current job opportunities, post study work visa options, and other important aspects of the countries most visited by Indian nationals, which also make them some of the most immigration friendly destinations. So, the top immigration friendly countries are Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. So, now I will tell you how Canada is in the top immigration friendly countries. Touted as one of the most immigration friendly countries in the world, Canada boasts being rated as one of the best countries to live in by the United Nations. Rich in resources, Canada is home to some of the best global universities in the world. Canadians enjoy a high standard of living and have a low crime and violence rate, making it a preferred destination for immigration. The country has introduced several immigration programs through the Canadian government for the benefit of people looking to immigrate them. These include a family sponsorship program, a skilled workers program for them, a refugee program for them, and an Atlantic immigration pilot program, among other programs. So, the Canadian government has also recently introduced favorable immigration policies that brings several benefits to Indian students who have graduated from a Canadian university offering permanent residence. So, home to one of the most booming job markets in the world, Canada registers one of the lowest rates of unemployment globally. Flexible immigration rules, easy visa policies, these makes Canada one of the most sought after destinations for Indians wanting to settle abroad. The country also has many sectors that experience skill shortage and graduates who want to enter professional services. They are very welcome to go to Canada to procure a work permit and work there. The country works on a points-based system. They allot points for each criterion like work experience, education, and age. A lot of experience, a lot of importance is given to one's educational and language skills, and the main experience one garners from employing those skills in your profession. The country has often been rated as one of the best countries to live in. So, however, one requires to have a diploma or bachelor's degree to apply for the immigration process. If I talk about course duration, less than 8 months and stay back period. No post-study work permit. If I talk about course duration, 9 months to 24 months and stay back period for them. Post-study work permit no longer than the course duration. If your course duration is over 24 months and stay back period, it's 3 years of student work permit may be issued to them. So now I will tell you how New Zealand is in the top immigration friendly countries. Home to some of the best universities in the world. New Zealand is one of the most beautiful places on the earth and the greatest immigration policies, greatest immigration destinations. This small island nation showcases a diverse culture and its citizens are very enjoying their life, enjoy a high standard of living and education there. Moving to New Zealand introduces you to a world-class education, state-of-the-art infrastructure, beautiful subtropical climates and landscapes. The country hosts a multitude to supporting activities to choose from and is regarded as one of the best countries for children to grow up in. To live in New Zealand permanently, one would require a resident visa. There are a number of pathways to obtaining a resident visa, many of which start with a temporary visa, allowing you to work, allowing you to study or own a business in New Zealand. Some visas, such as those granted under the skilled migrant category, grant you residence right away now. You need to comply with any conditions attached to your visa to ensure your pathway to a residence is not interrupted. So before moving to New Zealand permanently, aspirants need to consider what visa you are eligible for and whether those visas will enable you to stay in New Zealand permanently in the long run. You also need to make sure you are ready to move to New Zealand because you will need enough time to complete the requirements of your temporary or resident visa conditions. If I talk about Australia, now I will tell you how Australia is in the top immigration friendly countries. Australia, the land of kangaroos, the land of Koalas, Australia is the best country. So, if I talk about Australia, the land of kangaroos and koalas, Australia is a good place to relocate and settle there. The country has easy regulations for permanent residency for those looking to immigrate there. The citizens of the country enjoy a higher standard of education and living. Australia too follows a point-based system and is regarded as the land of job opportunities. The government allocates points for each criterion such as work experience, age and education. The maximum age of an applicant can be 49 years and the minimum educational qualification is having a diploma or bachelor's degree. International students are required to have a minimum of 2 years of academic study in Australia to be eligible for a post-study work visa in Australia. Aspirants can opt for a bachelor's, they can opt for a master's or doctoral degree to qualify the same. The subject area of the field of study does not affect the student's eligibility for a post-study visa in Australia. So these were the countries: Canada, Australia and New Zealand. Best countries to study, best immigration countries, best happy countries. For more details, if you want to assess your profile, you can share your profile on our WhatsApp number 9914615605, or you can visit in our branches. Our counselors will help you, our counselors will guide you, will help you systematically, and we will tell you which country is better for you, which course is better for you, which immigration is better for you according to your budget. We will guide you properly, we will guide you systematically. Thank you so much guys. Be happy and take care. Thank you.